Good afternoon, friends. So, it is finally happening. A $2,700 check will begin going out to Social Security beneficiaries on a monthly basis. But the Social Security Administration has confirmed that there are requirements that need to be met in order to be eligible to receive this extra stimulus money. So friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video if you are a Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, or VA beneficiary, because you may be eligible to claim $2,700 this month. And friends, please be sure to share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please stay tuned for the keyword from this video.
I rise today in strong support of H.R. 4476, the DHS Trade and Economic Security Council Act. The past few years have been incredibly difficult for Americans across the country, with COVID-19 pandemic, the supply chain crisis, record inflation, and many others. These challenges have shown us the importance of our economic security and the impact that our economy can have on both our homeland and our national security, and that of our partners and allies. Our reliance on foreign products and manufacturing, from personal protective equipment like masks and gloves to key technology components like computer chips, have had drastic impacts on this country over the past few years. While there is ongoing work within the federal government with regard to trade, supply chain, and economic security, it is clear that we still must do more.
All right, my friends. So every month, the Social Security Administration sends out payments to retirees, the disabled, and plenty more groups who are eligible. At the end of 2021, over 67 million beneficiaries received some form of financial support from the Social Security Administration. Over 72% were retired workers. And those 72% are the group that could be receiving the $2,753 monthly check, as long as they fulfill a set of requirements set out by the Social Security Administration. The organization is in control of approving who receives a monthly check, which is tied to retirement age and a host of other factors. For those who will receive the $2,753 monthly check are couples who have retired and are recipients of support from the SSA. For individuals receiving retirement benefits, the maximum that can be received is $1,657. These values are just the average. For retirees who waited to retire until the full retirement age of 67, they could be in line to receive up to $3,345 each month this year. That is up $197 from the year before. For those who file and retire at the age of 62, this year they will have their payments top out at $2,364. So friends, the longer that Americans wait to receive payments from their federal retirement account, the higher the monthly check that can be expected based on work history. The Senior Citizens League, an advocacy group for seniors, says the movement to get a fourth stimulus check is finally moving forward. The group issued a call to Congress to take action for Social Security recipients, citing rising cost care in Medicare, food, housing, and transportation. This petition asked for a $1,400 payment to individuals on Social Security. The petition has been signed by more than 95,000 people, and this is according to a recent tweet from the advocacy group. Petition states, soaring inflation has taken a toll on household finances of retired and disabled Social Security recipients in 2021. Social Security benefits increased by just 1.3%, raising the average benefit by only about $20 a month. But about 86% of Social Security recipients surveyed say that their expenses increase by much more than that amount. So friends, please let me know in the comments section below if you support a $1,400 stimulus check. Friends, the keyword for this video is oregano. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards, friends, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos. Comment below the keyword of each video that you do watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Senate Democrat Joe Manchin said today that government leaders need to stop searching for where to lay the blame as inflation reaches record highs, and instead cut spending and expand U.S. energy. The statement from Joe Manchin comes after he was the loudest critic of the Biden administration's handling of the problem for months now. And according to Joe Manchin, the president and the Federal Reserve have not done enough to deal with inflation, as it has reached a new 40-year high with the consumer price index up 8.5% from March 2021 to last month. In an official statement, Senator Manchin said, "When will this end? It is a disservice to the American people to act as if inflation is a new phenomenon. The Federal Reserve and the administration failed to act fast enough, and today's data is a snapshot in the time of the consequences being felt across the country. American people deserve the truth about why record inflation is happening and what must be done to control it." Senator Manchin also stated, "Getting inflation under control will require more aggressive action by a Federal Reserve that waited too long to act. It demands the administration and Congress, Democrats and Republicans alike, support an all-above energy policy, because that is the only way to bring down the high price of gas and energy while also attacking climate change." So, the White House initially dismissed inflation last year as a transitory before it was continued to surge into late 2021 and 2022. The White House also said inflation was a sign of good economy at times. White House Chief of Staff Ron Klain retweeted a post that dismissed inflation as a high-class problem, although the White House eventually began acknowledging its effect on average Americans. So, my friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you agree with Senator Joe Manchin in regards to inflation and what our government needs to do to take a handle of it? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, good friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Please do me a favor, friends, and share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. And also, if you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, simply click and like several of my videos. Comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. And friends, do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.